Growing up in a home where one parent is a narcissistic storm and the other is a barrier that always protects the storm, not you, leaves invisible wounds. Wounds that today may manifest as constant anxiety, lack of self-belief, and a feeling that your needs don't matter. If you're the child of a narcissistic parent, your self-esteem isn't just low, it was stolen. And the defense mechanisms you developed, anxiety, withdrawal, perfectionism, are not your weaknesses. They are echoes of brilliant survival strategies. Today, using Carl Jung's tools, we won't just understand this. We will reclaim your identity from the hands of your inner critic and begin building the foundation of your true self. A narcissistic parent cannot bear your separateness. Their ego needs a mirror that reflects only their greatness. Therefore, your true self must be suppressed. Jung would say that such a parent becomes your shaping shadow, the force that actively decides which parts of you are good, those that flatter them and which are bad, those that are authentic. What was thrown into your shadow? Your strength and assertiveness. It was challenged as rebellion or disrespect. Your self-confidence, it was extinguished by sarcasm, criticism, or comparisons. Your anger at injustice, it was stigmatized as hysteria or lack of respect. Your needs, they were ignored because it's not the right time. Can't you see your father has a problem? Your inner critic, which today whispers you're worthless to you, is not your voice. It is the internalized voice of your parent, who took up residence in your head and became the guardian of your own shadow. Time for the first crucial exercise. Its goal is to separate your voice from the voice of your inner critic. Take a notebook and draw a table. In the left column, write down the typical hurtful sentences you heard in childhood, or that your inner critic now repeats in your head. Write as much as you want, but be specific. You won't succeed anyway. You're exaggerating, it wasn't that bad. Why can't you be like? Now, for each sentence, ask yourself, what part of my self was this sentence meant to suppress? What truth is my shadow hiding? Write it in the right column. You won't succeed anyway. Hidden truth. I have the right to take risks and learn from my mistakes. My worth does not depend on a one-time success. You're exaggerating. It wasn't that bad. Hidden truth, my feelings are important and justified. I have the right to feel pain and sadness. Why can't you be like? Hidden truth, I am valuable as I am. My uniqueness is my strength. This exercise is an act of rebellion. It's the moment you tell your inner critic, I know who you are, and you are not me. You disarm it by turning its poison into a map, leading to your hidden strength. The second exercise is working with your inner child. Since your external home wasn't safe, your task is to build a safe home inside you. We will use active imagination for this. Entering a state of relaxation, find a quiet place. Close your eyes, focus on your breath. In your imagination, build or find a place that is an absolute sanctuary for you. It could be a house in the wilderness, a forest clearing, a beach. Furnish it with everything that gives you a sense of safety. When the place is ready, imagine your younger self knocking on the door. That hurt, frightened child. Open the door for them. Welcome them with open arms. Sit with them and ask, what did you need back then that you didn't get? What do you need now? Listen for the answer. It might be a need for safety, to be heard, to be defended. Now, as your own loving parent, give them what they need. If they need protection, stand between them and the shouting figure of the father in your imagination and say firmly, enough. You have no right to hurt him. If they need validation, hug them and say, I see your pain. That was awful. You have every right to feel that way. Your feelings matter. If they need a mother who takes their side, you become that mother. Say, I am here for you. I believe you. I defend you. This is not just imagination. This is a neurological and psychological act of repair. Your brain is learning a new pattern. I am safe. I am worth defending. Someone finally hears me, and that someone is you. Shadow work in the context of a narcissistic parent is not about forgiveness or forgetting. It is an act of reclaiming your territory. It is the process where you stop being a helpless child in the family system and become the hero who rescues that child and builds a new home for them. Your anxiety disorder and compulsions are not enemies. Your task, if you feel ready, do at least the first exercise with the notebook. One voice of the critic, one hidden truth. And share in the comments if you wish. Remember, you are not alone in this fight. Your sensitivity, which was suppressed, is now your greatest tool for healing. Thank you for being here.